Hey guys, Nick Dambrie here from Dambrie Guerin Real Estate Experts, and today we're going to go check out a few lobster roll places downtown Portland as well as out in Cape Elizabeth. So stay tuned and follow along. Hey guys, we're down on the Portland waterfront and we're going to look at several different places to get lobster rolls. And the first one we're looking at is Luke's Lobster, and this place is great. It's right on the Portland Pier. You can walk past Jay's Oyster Bar, which is another great place to stop and get a lobster roll. But Luke's here has a great panoramic view of the bay, and you can come and watch the lobster boats coming in and out, as well as other local water traffic. So come check it out. Hey guys, this is Nick Dambrie here at spot number 2. This is Boons Fish House and Oyster Room. This is another great place to come and get a lobster roll and an awesome place to sit on a deck and look at the boats coming in and out and enjoy a great cocktail. So you really should come down and check this place out as well. I love hanging out here with friends and family, and I always bring people from out of town to this location. Next door is also the Porthole, which is a great place to listen to some bands and live music and get a drink as well. So come on down and check them out. Hey guys, Nick Dambrie here, spot number 3. This is the Lobster Shack. This is an amazing place to come get a lobster roll. It is a staple. It is a true landmark in the Greater Portland area. It's nestled in between Two Lights State Park, and it's a great place to come check out. Lobster rolls here are amazing. The seafood is amazing, so come on down and check it out. So we just checked out 3 lobster roll places in the Greater Portland area. We just finished up at Cape Elizabeth. If you have any desire to move to the Greater Portland area, give us a ring. We'd love to help you. 207-553-2400 or email us at team@dambrieguerin.com. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that good stuff. So we'll talk to you soon.